Imagine a warm day in Boston suddenly turned disastrous by a 25-foot wave of molasses, traveling at 35 miles per hour, engulfing the city streets. This surreal event unfolded on January 15, 1919, when a massive tank burst, releasing over 2 million gallons of molasses. The sticky wave destroyed buildings, flipped vehicles, and tragically claimed 21 lives while injuring 150. The cleanup lasted for weeks, with rescue workers battling sticky molasses to save those trapped. This bizarre yet tragic event left a lasting mark on Boston's history, forever known as the Great Molasses Flood.